Hey, I'm Stephen Foskett from Gestalt IT, and we are outfitting our newly expanded offices with some monitors. Now, I was looking for a monitor that would allow us to have both power and 4K over the same cable. I wanted something that's decent quality and something with an adjustable arm so that people can have some ergonomic features to go with our height adjustable standing desks. So we picked out these LG UltraFine monitors. This is the special kind that comes with this ergo stand. They also make one of the kind of a conventional stand, but let's take a look at what we've got in here. So it is, got these from Adorama. They were, I think, $560 each, which is a little on the expensive side, but not all the way on the expensive side, like some of these LG UltraFine monitors. So the display panel itself is here on top, and it is, as you can see, it has a very, very nice look to it, very thin borders and bezels. The only thing I don't love about these LG display panels is that they have a tiny little weird joystick control in the middle on the bottom, which is not my favorite control for monitor. But other than that, they're pretty nice. All the ports and everything are actually here on the back. You'll see that you have two USB ports, full-size display port, HDMI, digital audio, because they've got speakers built in, which is awesome, and USB-C. So this is not Thunderbolt, it's USB-C, but it still works great with Macs. So let's set this aside. Most of the box is actually taken up by the monitor arm, which, as I said, this is the special one that mounts on a desk. So it is very large and adjustable. It also comes with, in addition to the obvious, power supply and power cables, it comes with a very nice USB-C cable, HDMI cable, and a power extension. And when you put all this stuff together, this is what you get. So this is actually the monitor itself once it's all set up and plugged in. So you can actually see around here on the back that we've got the USB-C input, we've got the power input, and that's it. Here's the one cable that you plug into the laptop. This works great. I tried it with the old style and the new style MacBook Pros. It works great, 4K. The only problem is that it only does about 60 watts of power, which is not enough for the 17-inch or the newer or 16-inch or the larger MacBook Pros, but it is enough for the M1 machines, which is how we're going to use it. The monitor stand itself attaches to the edge of any kind of desk like this. It also comes with a different adapter, so you can put it in a through hole, but it has to be one of the narrower holes, not these fat ones. It goes up and down, all around, and has some, some nice adjustability to it. I have to say that the ergonomic stand is probably the best part of this monitor. It is super well built, and my favorite aspect of it is right here. If you zoom in right here, you can see that the cables are all actually hidden behind this little trim piece, and so it really kind of gets in there, and it looks beautiful, and it keeps everything really nice and clean, and we don't have to worry about cables all over the place. So again, this is the LG UltraFine 4K USB-C monitor. If you've got a MacBook Pro and you're looking for a nice monitor for it, with some good adjustability and some decent power for one of the lower end models, it's a good choice.